Hello guys, I'm Debasachi and I hope you guys are doing fine. Today I'm here with a beautiful message by a beautiful writer. Her name is Tahlia Hunte and I found her on Facebook. Today I'm here to share with you one of the most beautiful writing that has inspired me a lot. So without wasting any time, let's go through this beautiful message. From a stone, I learned the art of remaining still. From a river, I learned the art of remaining in flow. From a leaf, I learned the art of remaining detached. From a breeze, I learned the art of remaining gentle. From a mountain, I learned the art of remaining strong. From a gentle raindrop, I learned the art of remaining calm. From a seed, I learned the art of remaining patient. From a caterpillar, I learned the art of remaining persistent. From a seashell, I learned the art of remaining open. From a tree, I learned the art of remaining grounded. From a drifting cloud, I learned the art of remaining free. From a modest flower, I learned the art of remaining humble. From a forest, I learned the art of remaining regenerative. From a butterfly, I learned the art of remaining graceful. From a snowflake, I learned the art of remaining unique. And from a flame, I learned the art of remaining passionate. So, these were the inspiring words by Tahlia Hunte. I'm gonna leave the Facebook profile link on the video description so you can visit her and get highly inspired by her works. So once again guys, it's Hunte Versace and I thank you for being here. Have a good day.